Flexibility, a path to balance and strength it is. In the comfort of your home, practice you must. Begin with gentle stretches, like the cat-cow pose. Breathe deeply, feel your spine lengthen. Next, the forward fold, let your body relax, reaching for your toes. With each breath, release tension, embrace the stretch. Now, the warrior pose. Ground your feet, open your hips, and feel the power within. Hold and visualize energy flowing through you. Finally, the seated twist. Sit tall, inhale, and as you exhale, turn gently. This will awaken your spine and improve your range of motion. Consistency is key. Daily practice, even for a few minutes, will yield great rewards. Remember, patience you must have. Flexibility is a journey,